Hello guys, this is Gayatri Negi and you're watching LexClick and I'm an intern in Lexis and Company. In this video, I will discuss about the difference between courts and tribunals. But before that, we should know what is a court and what is a tribunal. Coming to the court first, a court means an institution which has the authority to settle legal disputes between the parties. In accordance with the rule of law, administration of justice is carried out in matters relating to civil, criminal, or administration. There are trial courts and appellate courts. The trial courts are held by the trial courts. The trials are held by the trial court. They are also known as fact-finding courts. The appellate courts are there to hear appeals from the decision of trial courts. Then Supreme Court is the highest court in our country and is the guardian of the constitution. On the other hand, tribunals are quasi-judicial in nature. The word tribunal has been derived from the word tribune. The idea behind setting up of tribunals is to lessen the burden on the courts and dispose of the cases expeditiously outside the courts. Now coming to the difference between the courts and tribunals. First, the court passes judgments, decrees, and orders in cases of civil and judgment of acquittal or conviction in cases of criminal offences, while tribunals are established to provide awards to the affected parties. Secondly, courts deal with various types of cases like criminal, civil, and constitutional, but tribunals deal with the specific types of cases only. Thirdly, courts follow the rules of procedure as provided in the statute books like the CPC or CRPC and law of evidence. In case of tribunals, there is no strict procedural law to be followed for the adjudication of cases. The tribunals follow principles of natural justice to provide awards. Lastly, the court system is a three-tier system with the Supreme Court as the highest court of the land. The tribunals are subordinate to the courts and the appeals against the decision of tribunals lies to the High Court and Supreme Court. So, this was all about difference between courts and tribunals. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.